What's up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. Rayware Computers since 1996. If you've been struggling when it comes to creating your affiliate websites, you're not alone. Okay, if you're having problems getting your affiliate sites going, stop. Put your best email at rwcweb.com. I shall show you oodles and oodles of great stuff. Talking about Webstarts. The ultimate drag and drop website builder. You got all kinds of stuff. Let me tell you something. Webstarts is a one-stop shopping for affiliate marketing. Okay? The graphic stuff is phenomenal. Okay? You can do all SEO from within the program. Alright? You got live chat. You can do your own HTML. You create a blog. You got anchors. Okay? If you're anybody that knows any kind of website design, you know that Webstarts is the ultimate drag and drop. Okay? Not only is it good for experienced guys, it's also good for people just starting out. Okay, between that and me taking you under my wing, going through my YouTube videos, anybody that signs up through me, I am an affiliate to them. You sign up through me, okay, I give you free tech support, but not tech support like you know, sending a message and things like that. We can actually talk on the phone. It's all free. Okay. If you send me something in specific that you want to learn about Webstarts, I will make you a specific custom video tailored to your needs. Okay. You could do an online store. You could do videos on there. I mean, it's just unbelievable the stuff that they have. Okay. They got fantastic templates. Beautiful graphics, free graphics, okay. And I know a lot of platforms, they'll give you, different things. They'll give you the same kind of stuff, okay. Webstarts, they've been in the game for a long time, okay. They've got great, let me do this, let me get my poop together here. Okay, they've got excellent, this software, this server-side software that they created to do this stuff is just phenomenal. Okay, now, without making this video too long, okay, mobile friendly, user friendly, what I want to do is, okay, not to mention, you get a free website. Okay, you get a free website, webstarts.com. Okay, this is my blog I've been working on. It's for free. I did this blog for free. Okay, not to mention, I use private label rights to populate this. Okay, this is all private label rights. Okay, and I just copied and pasted it in here. I got master resale rights to things. Okay, and I populated my website with it. Got my YouTube link. I did my HTML little trick here with the date. This here is a picture that I actually made. It's my logo. I made that in Webstarts. Okay, and I can show you how to do that right now in 2 seconds. Okay. Now, Webstarts, let me pin this out. Okay, pin that out. Now, they got different modes of the colors. I happen to like the dark color mode. Because my old geek eyes, they have trouble seeing things too light. Now, they got these add-ons. I mean add-ons. Everything that you need to do. Okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making videos, and I'm going to go down the line here and do one by one. Show you how to do all of this. Okay? So now, you can put an image in here. They got free images. Okay? Tons and tons and tons of free images. Okay? The lion. Let's do the lion. Let's see what that is. Oh, I love Africa stuff. Look at this. How beautiful. Stunning. Beautiful. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Elephant's eye. Let's get some zebras. How about a cheetah? Alright? Boom, boom, boom. Right in. Get rid of that a second. Give me some room. Gonna hide these lines. Okay. Is that phenomenal? Just phenomenal. Beautiful stuff. Just beautiful stuff. The ultimate drag and drop. Okay, now watch this. Let me show you something. Just move it down, move it down. Now, there's a lot of drag and drop site builders. Okay? But they're very finite. Alright, now this particular site, I actually made this picture in Webstarts and put it in here. This is my Aweber landing page that Aweber allows you to make landing pages. Okay, but I actually made this in Webstarts, this particular picture here. Okay. Now, what happens is, like I was telling you, there are so many website builders that have to drag and drop. Okay. But it's limited. It's limited to what they do. In other words, you drag this here, it has to stay here. Okay. I challenge you to find any other drag and drop that's literally, utterly, literally, you put it where you want to put it. Okay. Anything where you want to put it. Any part of your page. Okay. Ultimate drag and drop. By far the ultimate drag and drop. Okay. And again, I challenge you to go to Wix or go to any of those GoDaddy and any of those other websites. And a lot of them, they do offer you the free domain. I'll give them that much. Okay. Now, if you want the slowest website on the planet, you go to get a site with Wix. Okay. Now, look at that. How quickly and easily I made that the way I wanted to make it. Okay. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm talking about here. It's the ultimate drag and drop. You can put anything anywhere you want in an instant. Okay? Boom. Gabish. Now, I didn't want this video to get too long. What I want to do, alright, let me just get rid of some of these. Okay, now real quick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take, this is very quickly now, so I want to keep these videos. Let's see, what do I want to do? Okay. Alright, so say I'm a plumber. Okay. I want to make myself a logo. Alright. Let's go with a different color. What do we got for plumbing? You know, the black was okay. Let's try it with, just for this video, I'll do it with a blue. Okay, I'm going to add some text. right? Holding control down, hitting the letter A, selecting all. Boomski, baby. Boomski. Alright, now, if you got Windows, and that just works with Windows, it'll work with pretty much any kind of let's try a triangle here. Triangle. Okay. Let's make it a different color. We're going to make it blend. Again, I'm just, I basically have the creativity of a lettuce leaf, okay? Now we're going to put this here. Watch this, okay? I'll do it this way. I'm going to attach this to that triangle. Boom. So now wherever I move that triangle, that little wrench is going to go. And again, don't go by me because I have the creativity of a lettuce leaf, okay? Now, let's go to the settings. Okay, style. We're going to go in the center. Boom. Okay, boom. And again, this was just to show you how to do this. And what you could do is you can go and get ideas, or if you even have your own logo, okay, tighten it up a little bit more, a little bit more, okay. And again, I'm not a graphic designer. Now, you got that there, okay. Now, let me save it and just view it again, okay. I can shrink it down, holding the control, turning my mouse wheel, shrinking my browser down. Now, you can take the Windows snippet tool, or you can just hit the print screen button on any PC, and voila. I save this as a file. I have my own logo. And again, I know it's ugly. Okay, it's ugly. But the old DOS Geek, I'm not the greatest graphic design guy. Okay. And this could be done also with several different things. Okay, it could be done with several different things. You can make a box. Let's go to its settings, its style, border color, black. Oh, I'm sorry, that's background color. Let's make that white. Border color. We can make red. Right? Border width. Boom. Bring it up. Bring it like this. And again, you could do this any way that you desire. Okay? Any way that you desire. I'll do something in banking. Okay. Can make it like that. It's pretty much up to you the way you want to do it. And what happens is you use a snippet tool because it doesn't save this as, a picture. It saves it as an icon. Okay. So we'll go back to the normal size, reset. Take our snippet tool once again. Alright, boom. You got that. So this is Ray, the old DOS Geek. Got my YouTube channel going. Okay. I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe. Getting a lot of good feedback from people, making a lot of videos for you guys. Show you how you do your websites, tricks of the trade.